Hello guys, my name is Veronica and I am a professional Russian teacher and also I am a Russian native speaker. So today, and this is a lesson only for beginners, but I think also people who are fluent in Russian language, they can also take some useful information from this video. Today we will talk about how to say "How are you?" in Russian. It's very easy, but kind of important question, because if you want to make a good impression, you need to say something kind of unusual or informal, friendly. So today, let's start from the most known variant. It is как дела. You can see it on the screen. Как дела. Как дела. This is the most neutral and usual question. You can ask this. You can say it to your mom, to your father, to your boss, to person that you just met 1 second ago and just, hey, how are you? Как дела? Как дела? Okay, so next, it's kind of the same. This means, hi, how are you? Привет, как дела? Привет, привет. Привет means hi. Как дела? Как дела? And all together, привет, как дела? Привет, как дела? So, let's move on to the next slide. And next slide is a little bit more interesting. So, here is one option how to answer this question. Как дела? How are you? У меня хорошо. У меня хорошо. And all together, как дела? У меня хорошо. Как дела? У меня хорошо means I'm good. And if you want to ask a question to this person who asked you, you say, and you in English. In Russian, you say, а у тебя? А у тебя? So now we are able to do a little dialogue. So this is one person and this is another person. So I will show with my hands how you say. Привет, привет. Как дела? У меня хорошо. А у тебя? Хорошо. Means this person and this person, they are all good. They are having things хорошо. Хорошо. Okay, let's go next. Here, there is another option to answer this question. У меня дела отлично. У меня дела отлично. And all together, у меня дела отлично. How can you guess from this picture? It means I'm fine. Oh, everything is pretty cool. Yeah, I feel like $1 million back. Yeah. Okay. Then we have this option. Как дела? Как дела? Нормально. Нормально. Нормально means not good, not bad, nothing happens. Kind of usual life. Yeah. Нормально. So we have now one question. Как дела? Как дела means how are you? And 3 options how to answer. Хорошо, good, хорошо, отлично, отлично, fine, нормально, нормально, like so. But if you feel bad, you have to say плохо. Как дела? Плохо. Here you need to be careful because in America or in Europe, if you ask, how are you? It's just question you don't need to answer a lot. You just say, I'm fine, and then you continue talking about something else. But in Russian language, with Russian people, especially when you're just a little bit, even a little bit friendly, and the person asks you, how are you? And you feel bad, this person will say you the full story. Как дела? Плохо. Because, and there is a full story. Why is it плохо? Плохо. So be careful with that. Not every Russian person does it, but it happens quite often. So be careful, yeah? Okay, next. Next is another option how to say how are you, more friendly, more informal, more colloquial. Here, как ты, как ты. In English, I would translate this option like, how have you been? It's more focused on you, right? How have you been? Как ты? Here the same options. Хорошо, отлично, плохо, нормально. Yeah? And the answer back is ты-то как? And you? Ты-то как? Let's make a small talk. Привет, как ты? Хорошо. Ты-то как? Хорошо. Yeah? Okay. And another option to reply to the question is сам-то как? Сам-то как? And you? Yeah? Okay. We have one more variant how to say how are you? I will write it on the screen. Here, wait a second, please. I hope you can see. So, как, sorry, it's in English. Как жизнь. Как жизнь. Как жизнь means how is your life? Как жизнь. The same options how to answer. Хорошо, плохо, нормально, отлично. Yes. Okay. And the last option, how to ask a question, how are you in Russian is this one. I will show you. Just a second. Как делишки? Как делишки? It's very informal, very friendly. And if you are talking to a boy or to a girl, it's a little bit flirty. Как делишки means, what's new or what's up, kind of in English, I think. Как делишки? Как делишки? And here are the same options. So to summarize, we know even 4 options how to ask a question, how are you? Как ты? Как дела? Как жизнь? Как делишки? And we have some options how to answer. Хорошо, нормально, отлично, плохо. So I hope this video was quite informal and yeah, I hope this video was very useful and helpful for you. And next time, I think I will talk about how to say goodbye in Russian or how to say thank you and you are welcome. What theme is more important for you? or what do you want to listen more? So yes, next video I think will be tomorrow because I like filming actually. And I bought a new camera. To be honest, not I bought, but my friend bought. It was a gift for me, and it was a real surprise. Today, when I had some free time, relaxed time at home, somebody knocked at my door and he said, "Hello." And I was very surprised what happened. And when I opened the door, there was a man from delivery with a little box. And I was pretty surprised because I didn't order any delivery today. And I asked him, "What's that? What's in that little box?" And he told me, "Webcam." And I was surprised even more. So yeah, it was a very big surprise and a very pleasant gift. Thank you a lot, my dear friend, and see you soon, most probably tomorrow. Пока-пока.